Hey guys! Hey guys, it's Tori, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing, but it's not a box, it's a package, so a quick unpackaging. I've been saying Lume, apparently that's not right, it's a Lume. That is $140, pretty pricey, I must say it is, but okay, so before I started wearing Lume or using Lume, I'd sweat a lot and I had this odor. I don't know, I couldn't hug people like this. I'd always have to hug them from down here because I never wanted to lift my armpits. Every t-shirt, every sweater, I'd use it a few times. I'd have to throw it away because even after washing it, like it wouldn't do anything. It would just still smell. It was like, I was going crazy. I got my face really, really dry. Give me a second, guys. Squirrel. Give me a second here. Just put a lotion. All right. Okay. Here we go. So I'm gonna take a little sippy too because we almost have to sippy, you know how that goes. All of Lume has a scent to it where it's just like, I don't know, it's that plant stuff, I wanna say. I don't know, it just has like a scent to it. So all of the Lume products are gonna be similar in scent. You're just gonna have a little bit of an off second layer scent. I can smell the citrus on this. And this one, which is the Jasmine Rose, I've already had this one, so I'm not gonna open this one right now. I'm just gonna wait till the kids decide to open it once they're done with the others. Because see, I just put this like one tube on the counter in the restroom and everyone will like use out of it. Because in order to put it on their armpits or their feet or whatever, they have to squeeze it out of the bottle and then apply it with their fingers onto their armpits. I don't like when they use like the deodorants to their armpit. I don't like that because it leaves nastiness and film and all this stuff. It's just non-hygienic. It's not hygienic. I just don't like it. I have like an OCD about it. So I make sure that when they do, you know, they use their fingers in order to apply it to where they apply it to. Okay, so I smell vanilla. It smells like chocolatey vanilla. Like chocolate. That's what it smells like. Coconut Crush right here. Okay, so it smells like Lume, along with some coconut, like, okay, tanning, the stuff. Yeah, that's what it smells like. You're going to the beach. Not too shabby on that either. All right, bay rum. I have not smelled the bay rum, so we're gonna go ahead and give that a little smelly. Okay. I mean, I like it. I don't smell the rum part. The bay, I can smell the bay part. It smells a little oceany. It smells a little coconutty like. So here we have another one of the Jasmine Rose in deodorant form as well. Clean Tangerine also on deodorant form. So I've got 4 deodorants so far and 3 of the tubes. And then we have another deodorant, which is Lavender Sage. It smells like lavender. I like this one a lot better than I like the Jasmine Rose, that's for sure. So the Lavender Sage is really nice. I like that. And here we have another Coconut Crush. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 deodorants, 3 tubes. And I got myself a little free sample or travel size of Sweet Lily, of which I have not tried either. Let's see what that one smells like. Oh, I like that. That smells really nice. I like that one. So I got 5 deodorants. I got 3 of the tubes. And I got the little travel size, free travel size. One that I had been using was this one, which is the Silver Spruce. The boys have this one. They really like the smell. This one is like, I don't know, sprucey. I like it because it's like a manly smell. So I would say this one is pretty manly and Bay Rum would be pretty manly. So all right guys, so I will leave all the info down below and thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.